All right, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are going to do another random number generation to give you a tip from Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices by Ramesh Gulati, currently number one at Amazon in the category of engineering management. So we're going to use a random number generator. It's going to give us a page between 1 and 700. We're going to flip to that page and figure out what topic is on that page and give you a tip based on that topic. So let's take a look at our random number generator. Spin that wheel. Let's see where we're at. Vote for your favorite page. Oh, all right, 540. We're going to remove that choice. 540. That's going to be dangerously close to some recent topics because I know I recorded something close to that recently. So if I can get my cursor to get rid of our screen there, we'll be in good shape. So 540. Let's see what is on page 540. Ooh, 540. What are we talking about? Looks like we're talking about losses. He's talking about lean. So we're talking about lean tools in this particular area. It's going through lean background and forward, and it's talking about waste and waste removal. All right, so your operation probably has somebody responsible for either continuous improvement, operational excellence, lean, or Six Sigma, or whatever TPM, whatever approach may exist currently. The lean principles are removal of waste and often miscommunicated as part of TPM and as part of the practice of removing losses. Lean is a natural practice of after you've done things very effectively, there's not much more to go after. We have to go after lean. Lean at the wrong time can be dangerous. What do we mean by that? Well, we can do the wrong thing very efficiently with no waste. Just because we streamline something doesn't mean it's a good process or the best method for us to do something. And so we have to focus on effectiveness first. When we start to run out of the ability to eliminate manufacturing losses, right? It's not a linear entity, it's a curve. We can regain losses at really good pace initially, and then they get harder and harder to regain. Once they get harder and harder to regain, that's when we start to look at, well, how can we do the other things more efficiently to eliminate even more waste or loss? So lean is a natural outcome of continuous improvement if you've done the effectiveness part first. It can be misapplied if applied way too early and you're not quite doing the right things yet. If we're not doing the right things and we try to make them efficient, we can, but is it the right thing to do? Probably not. We should go after effectiveness first. So lean, great principles, but has to be applied at the right time.